The sound of rain. It was always raining in Alara's world. Not literally, of course. The skies were often blue, the sun was kind. But since the day Caleb left, everything had felt soaked in a quiet, mournful drizzle. The kind of rain that didn't pour, didn't storm, just lingered. A cold presence that clung to your skin, soaked through clothes, and left everything heavy. They had met under a real storm once, at the corner of Fifth and Main. She had dropped her umbrella trying to rescue a stray kitten. He picked it up, held it over her head, and stayed until she smiled. That was Caleb, always choosing people over convenience, moments over minutes. Their love was quiet and slow like autumn. It crept up on her leaf by leaf until she realized one day that she couldn't picture a world where he wasn't laughing in the kitchen, or humming songs off key, or reading dog-eared books with her feet on his lap. But life is cruel in ways no one prepares for. Caleb's diagnosis came on a Tuesday, the kind of day that should have passed unnoticed. Gray skies, lukewarm coffee. The word cancer hit like a grenade. And yet, Caleb smiled. "We'll fight," he said. "You and me, oh, we'll fight." And they did. Through hospital visits and sleepless nights. Through the clumps of hair on the bathroom floor, and the days he couldn't walk without help. Through the quiet sobs she muffled into pillows, so he wouldn't hear. He fought harder than anyone she'd ever known. But sometimes, love isn't enough. Sometimes, the body gives up even when the heart is still clinging. Caleb passed in the early hours of spring. She held his hand as he took his last breath, and for a moment the world paused. No sound, no time, just stillness, and the unbearable echo of goodbye. Months passed. People stopped calling as often. The flowers wilted. The house grew to silent. One day, while cleaning, she found a letter in his handwriting, hidden inside his favorite book. "Elm, if you're reading this, then I didn't make it. And I'm so sorry for that. But please don't let the rain drown you. It's okay to feel it, to cry, to break. But don't forget to look up. Don't forget that even rain makes flowers grow. You are my home, and I'll love you always. Yours, Caleb." She sat on the floor for hours, the letter clutched to her chest, tears falling silently onto the pages. That evening, it rained again, and for the first time in months, Elara stepped outside without an umbrella. She stood in it, arms open, eyes closed, and she smiled, because even in the sadness, she felt him. She would never stop missing him. But maybe, just maybe, the rain didn't feel so heavy anymore.